Have you ever wanted to cook like a pro and get that perfect, gorgeous sear on your steak? Then you should get yourself a Flame King Pro Searing Torch. I absolutely love this thing, and it has changed the way on how I make my steaks. Welcome to another Dude Approved review with me, Wild, where a few minutes can save you a few bucks. Now, the Searing Torch is lightweight, has a comfortable handle, a push button piezo igniter for easy lighting. This way you don't have to put your hands or anything near the open flame, which is safe and nice. The Flame King also has adjustable flame controls, which gives you more control over the flame, allowing for more applications. A large, wide nozzle, which allows for some serious BTUs to be pumped out of this baby. This thing would make Hank Hill jealous. And it's super easy to attach one of those 1 liter pound propane bottles. You know those little green ones that you see right here all the time in your store? You just screw it in and you're good to go. Now you can use this searing torch for so many different things, like melting cheese, blistering and roasting vegetables, and starting charcoal and campfires. But the real reason to get this thing is for searing meat. If you like your steak rare to medium rare, and let's be honest, that's the only way to have steak, you need this. Personally, depending on the cut, I sous vide my steaks between 120 to 130 degrees, then pat them dry, and then I flame kiss them at the end with the searing torch, which just gives them this beautiful, firm, and bubbly searing crust ring, leaving my inside a stunning ruby red and pink. I mean, it's just perfection. I mean, obviously, just look at these beautiful photos of the steak I just cooked the other day. Now, I will be honest with you. This thing is intimidating at first, and it's also super powerful. So you know what? You need to be smart. Sear outside and make sure you do it on a safe surface like a grill. And one last tip is make sure you keep the searing torch moving. That way you get an even sear. Now, I just had a date with a stunning woman. No, it wasn't my mom this time. And I busted this thing out. She was so impressed, so much that she asked if she could sear the other side of the steak that we were cooking. And you know what? She had a blast with it. I actually had to take it back from her. Honestly, this thing is just so much fun to use. You get to live out your inner Beavis.
Fire, 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 fire.
Now, the Flame King Searing Torch comes in between 30 and 45 USD. And trust me, it's an awesome buy at any one of those price points. And I'll do you a favor, and I'll put a link down below to the cheapest place I got mine at, and you can get yours as well. For the price you're going to pay, you honestly can't beat this thing. Now, is there better? Yeah, there is, but they're also 3 to 4 times the price. And I would only recommend that if you need the really high temperatures or you want to be searing in style. I mean, honestly, look at this army gun one. It's just so badass and I want it so much, but it's a little expensive. But I will also do a favor and put a link down below for those other ones at the higher temps and style. Now, once you're done searing your steak, you obviously need a place to rest and cut the meat, which is why I recommend you check out the videos over to my side that goes over one of the best cutting boards that you should have for something like this bad boy right here. Click on that video where you see more of me, and until next time, I'll see you later. Thanks for watching. Whoopsie doodle. You wouldn't believe how many times that thing fell over during this shoot.